When it comes to smart home security on a budget, Baseus security cameras are gaining attention for their sleek designs, reliable monitoring features, and easy setup. From sharp HD video and night vision to motion detection and app connectivity, these cameras offer practical protection for both indoor and outdoor spaces. We're counting down the top 6 Baseus security cameras that stand out for their performance, smart features, and overall value. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Baseus P1 Security Camera. Keeping an eye on your home, office, or indoor space becomes much easier when a security camera combines sharp image quality with intelligent monitoring features. Designed to provide dependable surveillance around the clock, this camera offers a balanced mix of modern technology, user-friendly controls, and reliable performance that can help users stay connected to what matters most. Whether monitoring family members, checking on pets, or securing valuable belongings, it delivers a practical solution for everyday security needs. One of the most noticeable features is its impressive 4MP resolution, which captures footage with remarkable clarity. The enhanced image quality allows users to view fine details that may be difficult to identify on lower-resolution cameras. From facial features to small movements across a room, the camera records crisp and vivid video that helps create a more complete picture of indoor activity. The 3K high-definition output further enhances visibility, making it easier to review recordings and identify important moments. The inclusion of dual-band connectivity with support for 5G Wi-Fi contributes to a smoother and more stable connection. This helps reduce interruptions during live viewing and ensures that video streams remain responsive even when multiple devices are connected to the network. For users who rely on remote monitoring, a stable wireless connection can make a significant difference in maintaining confidence and convenience. Smart detection technology adds another layer of usefulness. Equipped with AI, human, and sound detection capabilities, the camera can distinguish important events from ordinary background activity. Instead of receiving unnecessary alerts throughout the day, users can be notified when human movement or unusual sounds are detected. Instant smartphone notifications allow for quick awareness and faster responses, whether at home or away. Pros: sharp clarity, AI detection, two-way audio, large storage. Cons: digital zoom, indoor focus. Number 5. Baseus P1 Pro Security Camera. Finding a compact indoor security camera that delivers both image quality and smart monitoring features can make a significant difference when protecting your home. Designed to provide reliable surveillance while remaining easy to install and manage, this model combines advanced imaging technology, intelligent detection capabilities, and convenient communication features in a small yet capable package. Whether used in a living room, office, nursery, or apartment, it offers the tools needed to stay aware of important activity throughout the day. The standout feature is its impressive 5MP sensor, paired with crystal-clear 3K resolution. This enhanced image quality captures sharp details and vibrant visuals that help users monitor indoor spaces with greater confidence. Fine details such as facial features, object placement, and movement patterns become easier to identify, making recorded footage more useful during reviews. The improved resolution also enhances live viewing, providing a clearer and more realistic representation of the monitored environment. Wireless connectivity support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks contributes to a stable and flexible user experience. Having access to dual-band connectivity allows users to select the network that best suits their environment, helping reduce congestion and improve streaming performance. This becomes particularly valuable for households with multiple connected devices, where network stability is important for uninterrupted surveillance. Intelligent monitoring is another major advantage. Equipped with AI human detection, the camera can identify human activity and deliver instant notifications directly to a smartphone. Instead of being overwhelmed by constant alerts triggered by insignificant movements, users receive more relevant notifications that focus on meaningful events. This feature can be especially useful when monitoring children, elderly family members, or areas where unauthorized access is a concern. Pros: 3K resolution, AI alerts, dual-band Wi-Fi, pan tilt. Cons: indoor use, digital zoom. Number 4. Baseus B1 Security Camera. What immediately stands out here is how much attention has been given to making outdoor security simple without sacrificing image quality or long-term reliability. Designed for homeowners who want dependable surveillance without dealing with complicated wiring or frequent maintenance, this camera delivers a balanced combination of clarity, battery performance, storage, and smart monitoring features that make everyday security far more convenient. The 2K resolution is one of the strongest highlights. Footage appears noticeably sharper than standard Full HD cameras, allowing important details such as faces, vehicles, packages, and movement around entry points to be captured with greater precision. Combined with the wide 145-degree field of view, the camera can cover a large portion of a yard, driveway, front door, or outdoor space without creating significant blind spots. This broader perspective helps reduce the need for multiple cameras in smaller surveillance setups and ensures a more complete view of surrounding activity. Another impressive feature is the substantial 7,800 mAh battery. Battery-powered security cameras often require frequent charging, but this model is built to operate for an extended period on a single charge. The long battery life makes it especially appealing for users who prefer a low-maintenance security solution. Once installed, it can continue monitoring for months before needing attention, making it suitable for busy households and locations where regular charging would be inconvenient. Durability is equally important for an outdoor security device, and this model is built to handle changing weather conditions throughout the year. Whether facing intense summer heat, heavy rain, strong winds, or cold winter temperatures, the rugged construction helps maintain stable performance. The ability to operate in temperatures ranging from 20 degrees to 50 degrees demonstrates that it is designed for real-world outdoor environments rather than occasional use. Pros: sharp video, wide coverage, long battery, easy setup. Cons: limited storage, app dependence. Number 3. Baseus S2 Security Camera. Stepping into a more advanced level of home surveillance, this outdoor security camera combines premium imaging technology, intelligent power management, and smart home compatibility in a package designed for users who want dependable protection without ongoing subscription costs. From crystal-clear daytime monitoring to vivid nighttime visibility, it aims to provide comprehensive security coverage while keeping operations simple and efficient. The first feature that demands attention is the impressive 4K resolution. With an 8-megapixel sensor capturing significantly more detail than standard security cameras, footage appears exceptionally sharp and refined. Fine details such as facial features, license plates, clothing patterns, and movement around a property become easier to identify, which can be crucial when reviewing security events. The wide 145-degree field of view further enhances coverage, allowing a larger area to remain under observation without requiring multiple cameras. This combination of ultra-high resolution and broad viewing angles creates a surveillance experience that feels both detailed and expansive. Nighttime performance is equally compelling. Many outdoor cameras rely on infrared imaging that produces black and white footage after dark, but this model goes a step further with full-color night vision. Capturing vivid color images even in low-light conditions can provide additional context and make identifying people, vehicles, or objects much easier. With visibility extending up to 8 meters at night, the camera maintains strong awareness of its surroundings long after the sun goes down. One of the most practical aspects of this system is its solar-powered design. The integrated solar solution works alongside the large 17,800 mAh battery to deliver continuous operation without the inconvenience of regular charging. The auto-tracking solar panel helps maximize sunlight collection throughout the day, reducing maintenance requirements and making the camera particularly appealing for remote locations or hard-to-reach installation points. For homeowners seeking a truly wire-free security solution, this feature adds tremendous value. Pros: 4K clarity, solar power, color night vision, local storage. Cons: larger size, sunlight reliance. Number 2. Baseus N1 2 Cam Kit Security Camera. Designed for users who want broader property coverage without the complexity of a large surveillance setup, this 2-camera security kit brings together sharp video quality, long-lasting battery performance, intelligent monitoring features, and dependable outdoor durability. The inclusion of two cameras immediately creates greater flexibility, allowing homeowners to monitor multiple entry points, driveways, backyards, garages, or other important areas simultaneously while maintaining a unified security experience. Image quality is one of the strongest aspects of the system. Equipped with 2K resolution, the cameras capture noticeably more detail than traditional full HD models. Everyday activities around the property appear clear and well-defined, making it easier to identify visitors, monitor deliveries, or review security events when necessary. The enhanced resolution helps preserve important visual information that could otherwise be missed in lower-quality footage. Paired with the expansive 145-degree field of view, each camera can cover a wide area, reducing blind spots and maximizing visibility with fewer devices. A particularly impressive feature is the remarkable battery endurance. Powered by a substantial 7,800 mAh battery, each camera is engineered to deliver up to 210 days of operation on a single charge. This extended runtime significantly reduces maintenance requirements and eliminates the frustration of frequent recharging. For homeowners seeking a truly wireless surveillance solution, the ability to install the cameras and leave them operating for months at a time adds considerable convenience. Outdoor security equipment must perform consistently regardless of weather conditions, and this system is built with that challenge in mind. The IP67 weatherproof rating provides protection against rain, dust, humidity, and harsh environmental conditions. Whether facing heavy storms, intense summer temperatures, or colder seasonal weather, the cameras are designed to continue operating reliably throughout the year. This rugged construction ensures that security coverage remains uninterrupted when it matters most. Pros: dual cameras, long battery, smart detection, wide coverage. Cons: limited storage. Number 1 and the winner is Baseus S1 Lite security camera. For anyone looking to simplify outdoor security while reducing maintenance as much as possible, this solar-powered camera presents an appealing combination of reliable monitoring, wireless convenience, and sustainable operation. Rather than depending on frequent charging sessions or complicated wiring, it focuses on delivering continuous surveillance through a design that works with natural sunlight, making it particularly attractive for homeowners seeking a more hands-off security solution. The most notable feature is undoubtedly its solar-powered operation. By harnessing solar energy throughout the day, the camera is designed to maintain continuous power with minimal user intervention. This approach eliminates one of the most common frustrations associated with wireless security cameras, which is the need for periodic battery charging. For users installing cameras in hard-to-reach locations, or simply wanting a low-maintenance setup, the solar charging capability offers significant convenience and helps ensure uninterrupted monitoring over extended periods. Image quality is another area where the camera performs impressively. Equipped with 2K resolution, it captures footage with greater sharpness and detail than conventional full HD security cameras. Whether monitoring a front entrance, driveway, backyard, or side passage, the improved resolution helps reveal important details more clearly. Faces, packages, vehicles, and movement around the property become easier to identify, creating a stronger sense of awareness and confidence when reviewing recorded footage or checking live video streams. Coverage is enhanced further by the camera's wide 135-degree field of view. A broader viewing angle means more of the surrounding environment remains visible within a single frame, helping reduce blind spots and minimizing the need for multiple cameras in smaller monitoring areas. This wider perspective is particularly useful for open spaces where maintaining awareness of movement across a larger section of the property is important. Pros: solar charging, clear footage, wide view, easy installation. Cons: sunlight dependence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.